a game that's been requested by Darren Green in our Facebook group, and the game is Lionheart here on the Amiga 1200. I've never played this game before. This is my first ever look at it, so it's been seen with fresh eyes after all these years. So we seem to be going into a castle, and this, I assume, is Mr. Lionheart with the nice 80s mullet haircut. Something I could never grow these days. Well, I may do that just for a laugh sometime. Grow a mullet. I've been threatening, or ponytail at the back. That'd be funny. So he's angry. Very angry. I'm angry. Oh, Mr. Angry. Okay. Now we have a dragon, and he now looks like He-Man. It's He-Man mounting a dragon. Wait, not in that way either. Dirty mind, you perverts. Anyway, here we go. And apples and orange and sung that old song in years. Right, Verdin crossed the border and flew into Norskish country. Everything had gone smoothly until now. Then he noticed a shape on the horizon which rapidly grew bigger. One of Norka's airships. Is that... That's telling me to put just two in, isn't it? Yes, go on. Go on. Go on, you know you want to live. Go on. Yes. We're going high speed. Oh, that's a bit... Well, that's alright on that screen, but on this screen that shifts it a little bit. Okay, introduction, don't want an introduction, we just put up with that. It's on the joystick. So the thing with the Amiga, there's no consistency on the controls, so one game will do it one way, one will do it another, and it's a nightmare. Nothing could be done. Valadin would have to make the entire journey on foot. He sighed and entered the swamps. While the disc's loading. Nice slurpy sound, anybody? We're waiting for this. Okay, it's still loading. It's doing push button. Which button? Ooh, here we are. Okay, we're on the way. So what we can do, we can jump, we can swing, and we can drop. Okay, so just jump over here, you little shite. I imagine. So look, you can go up here. Oh, you little shit. Come here. I'm determined to get up that thing, whatever it is. No, looks like it only goes. Looks like you can only go down on it. Way. How kinky. How am I supposed to kill these little blasted things blasted out? Can I go that? Nope. But you were something fine. We jumped off. Okay. Let's get on each one. Many games give you practice in other areas before going on to jumps like this. So this one, straight in there, sailor. Straight in at the deep end. And oh, cock. I hate jumps. Now what? Oh, I got something. What do I get? Is it a weapon? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's something. I have no idea what I just got. I do. What I will say so far is the graphics are awesome. Oh, more lily pads. I hate lily pads. Can't see any obvious way of getting those ones, so I don't. Oh, get up there! Get up! Oh, stop, bastard! Get! Oh yeah, shit! Continue. Yes, I want to continue. 6 credits. This is quite generous for an Amiga game. Okay, right then. Oh, give it. No, get up. Get off. I'm gonna stop from the beginning again. Oh well, shoot, where'd he come from? What the hell? They weren't there before. You're punishing me for having another go. My jumping skills are not the best. Right. Oh, some platform up there. Oh, pissy arse. Pissy arse. Oh. Oh, bugger me. No, don't bugger me. Right. setting down for war. Right. Let us declare war on the bastards. Well, if you know what language that is, please let me know, because I don't know. Might be what's technically known as gibberish. Is this game sort of straight away? It's screw you, you're going on the hard level straight away. This little creepy guy go, and we can go up here. I have no idea what these shields are for because, yeah, no instructions. But we've got some things. Yay, some things we have got. Go. Right. I'm getting a sweat on here. Go. Bugger. No. Okay. Right. This is where I failed last time. Didn't fail this time. Right, let's go, 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 go. There's some things down there trying to get me, you little shit. Oh, you're all going to pay for that. Can I? I'm just wondering if I can. Oh, right, okay. I can get up on top of it. Which is making me. Yes! I am a oh, cock. I am a ninja master. Get in there. Oh. Get up. Get up there. Get up there, Mr. 80s guy. Oh, you're probably a 90s guy. We've got more stuff. And... oh. The hell? Phew. Oh, right. The hell's that doing? Okay. Don't stay on that too long. Oh, you'll get you. Oh, ridiculous. Alright. Doink, doink. Right. Doink, doink, doink. Oh, yes. Yes, he's a god of gods. I have no idea what I'm doing or where I'm going or anything. But, that said, this isn't anything good game. Go. Pardon me. I love the graphics. Music. It's, oh, excuse me. Oh, what are you doing here? What are you doing? Decided to load completely randomly. Okay, cup of tea. How uncouth. Okay, oh, this is, what the hell? What are we doing? Kill it. Die, whatever you are. I have no idea what I'm doing here. No, I have no bloody idea whatsoever how to kill this thing or anything. Oh, ow! It hurts. Yeah, I'd have to watch a game guide on that. So, that is Lionheart. A most excellent game it appears. Good graphics, sound appears to be okay. Can't really hear it, I'm just going to have to keep it low for the recording. But yes, imaginative gameplay, a little bit tough, but appears to be rather good. So, thumbs up for that one. And thumbs up for the video if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you wish to mingle with us on social media, links are found below. Thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.